Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore Google Maps timeline. Google Maps timeline tracks your past locations, but sometimes it disappears due to accidental deletion. Now Google accounts issues or privacy settings. And here's how you can restore your Google Maps timeline and recover your past locations. The first step is to check if location history is enabled. And to do that, just open Google Maps. Go to maps.google.com and log in using your Google account's credentials. Now once logged in, tap on your profile picture over here. As you can see, tap on your profile picture and select your timeline. Now if data is missing, go to Google Accounts, then Data and Privacy, and scroll to Location History and ensure it's turned on. The second step is to recover deleted timeline data. And to do that, visit Google Takeout. That's takeout.google.com. Google, search for it. Click on here. And here you can select location history and download a backup. Let's see here. Let's look for location history. Just look for it. I don't know if there's a search bar. You can deselect all and start looking for location history, and once you find it, download a backup by clicking on download and re-upload the data to restore the timeline. The third step is to use Google Activity Control, and to do that, just go to Google My Activity and check if past locations appear under Maps activities. If available, tap on a location to restore timeline entries. As for the fourth step, contact Google Support if needed, and if the data is permanently missing, visit Google Support and select Google Maps timeline issues and request data recovery. Ensure Google location services are always turned on and set automatic Google Takeout backups to avoid future data loss, and use Google Fit or third-party apps as an alternative location tracker. Restoring your Google Maps timeline helps in tracing past locations, tracking travel history, or recovering lost data. If your timeline is missing, check the settings, download backups, or contact support. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.